Alright, what's up guys? So back here working on the 73 autostick. Got the new servo installed. It's actually a buddy of mine. He switched his car to manual, so he gave me his servo because I was having a hard time putting the clamp on. I could not get it on. I cut my hand about 5 times doing it. And it just is not going on. No matter what we do, I had a buddy come over and try to help me. We couldn't get it on. So he ended up just giving me the servo up here. It's a little rusty, but it works. But the car still doesn't go into gear. But I know the servo's getting vacuum and it's adjusted. So I'm going to try to take a video, show you what's happening. And, you know, because it's making the goose noise. So I noticed that. So I'm just going to set my phone down here. Hopefully I can capture the noise. And then I'll show you guys. Alright, so that sound was made from the diaphragm, and that's with me just turning the key on. So I'll go for it one more time and just show you what I'm doing in the car. Car's in neutral, start it up. Still not going into gear, but let's turn the key off, and then I'm getting the dead goose sound, and I thought it was a funny way to describe it, dead goose sound, but when you actually hear it, it really sounds like a goose is dying. So yeah, but yeah, so that's the current update. My buddy thinks the problem would be like electrical, so he told me to check the neutral safety switch, check the wire check under the back seat, and then so we'll go from there. But hopefully this video helps. Let me know if something sounds off or something else I need to check. The adjustment is I don't think it's perfect, but it's pretty on key because it was already adjusted on the guy's car, so you can see the line where it was rusted. So I know that's pretty close. My feeler gauge only goes up to 3.8 millimeters, so I didn't get the exact 4, but there is a little gap, so it's kind of close. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.